I'll be releasing this on Sunday, and I know you guys are stressing going back to work tomorrow. So I want to show you guys how to make some money, and I want to show you how utilizing these third-party apps could change your life. So right here is the official bank of the NBA. It's called Sofi. Let me zoom in for you guys. They are giving a $10,000 budget per year to every consumer who refers people to this app. I use this app a lot when it comes to funding people's businesses as well as getting their money back when they, usually invest into digital products, etc. So if you deposit $50 on a SoFi account, they'll give you $25 back plus whoever referred you to SoFi, they'll give you $75. And I'm not sure if it's the same amount, but it was a $10,000 limit per year, and we're already at the end of the year, so an extra $10,000 would go very good with these few months left in 2024. So this is what I partner with my subscription-based business. So my subscription-based business, you can literally launch it for $20 a month. It's going to give you benefits for you and your family, and you can become a reseller of that service. So imagine purchasing that service, starting your own business. You put extra $50 in SoFi, they give you back $25, and you just made your money back. So you pretty much launched your business for free. So that's the video you're going to be watching right here. But worst case scenario, if you don't even take advantage of the offer, to launch your own business, take advantage of this. I purchase everything online with third-party banking apps. I hardly ever use my major banking apps, to swipe online because everything that goes on the internet, guys. Hope you enjoy this video.